We're here at Columbia University where they have an active learning space, and they asked Crestron to come in and help them design the next generation of what they were going to do in these collaborative sessions. In these collaborative spaces, they have multiple tables where students can get together, work together on a problem, and present what they're doing up on the display. In addition, the instructor can walk around the room, interact with the students, and help them in what they're doing. Modern learning space is all about collaboration, so the room is broken up into multiple groups. Each of these groups has a table and a local display where the students can collaborate. In an open space like this with multiple tables, wiring can become a real problem. So one of the key requirements for doing this new active learning space was that everything from the user side had to be wireless. This is where Crestron was able to provide our wireless AV solution. AV uses the existing Wi-Fi infrastructure in the space, so there's no need to worry about security policies or trying to reinvent the wheel. The displays and touchscreens in the room that are hardwired all use a single Cat5e connection, which is an industry standard, making for much easier system installation and retrofits. Each display has instructions on how to share content to the group. The student opens their browser and types in the address on the display. The student would download a small application and then type in the PIN code that's shown on the display. This helps verify that they're connecting to the right display. The students can wirelessly present from their PC, Mac, iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Up to 4 students can present at the same time on the same display, enabling true collaboration. From the podium in the front of the room, the instructor can teach just the way they always have. They have a touchscreen here that allows them to control everything in the room and route sources to different places. They also have a local monitor to be able to control the in-room PC. The instructor can walk in with their laptop and present the same way they always have with the VGA or HDMI cable. But the instructor can also present wirelessly, so they aren't tethered to the front of the room and they can be more active in the learning process. From the touchscreen in the front of the room, the instructor can control who presents on the main display. In addition, the instructor can take any group's content and route it to every single display in the room. This allows them to easily show off one group's work to the other groups that are in the room. And they can shift from collaboration to teaching by taking their content and routing it to every display in the room. The instructor can also see how many students are logged into each display. But one of the best things about this new learning environment is that the instructor is no longer tethered to the podium. Because the instructor can present and control the room from their mobile device, they can be anywhere working with any group during the class. For instance, if the group at table 3 has some really interesting results, the instructor can stop the class, take what table 3 has on their display, and send it to every display in the room. Keep in mind, everything that you've seen here today can be done wirelessly. The instructor never has to be tethered to the front of the room. They can be mobile and hands-on with the learning. With Crestron's innovative air media and digital media technologies, we're able to create a state-of-the-art collaborative learning experience for training facilities and universities.